Okay, guys, now there's a couple different ways we can get our keywords. I'm going to show you the fastest ways that I know how to do it. And you don't have to have one of these magic pieces of software. We're not ranking websites here. We want our adverts to be out everywhere, every time somebody, puts in a search query on weight loss. We're using weight loss in this example. Now we can go in here to Google and we'll type in weight loss. And right after weight loss, if we put in when we end it right there, we're going to come up with 3 or 4 different highly searched terms, what people are, putting in the most frequently right now. Then we hit the space bar, we get another list of items there. So we take those and we make us a starter list, what we call a seed list. And you go down here to the bottom and there's different related pages. Each time you go to one of these pages, you're also going to get another searches related to weight loss or whatever your product is, whatever your niche is. You're going to get that too. So for saving time, I went ahead and made a little list of keywords here so we can get started right away, and this will work on a little list like this, because when we go over here to google.adwords.com, it's google.adwords.com. Don't worry about this red stuff. It's been there since the Google slap in 2008. We're just going to use the tools. So you click on tools and go to the keyword planner. Okay, and when you get into the keyword planner, when it loads here in just a second, I'm showing you this live. Okay, start over. And so when you go in here and you click on search for new keyword group or ideas, we're going to take this, we're going to copy it and paste it off in here. And then go to the bottom right here and get ideas. We're going to get ideas. Now it's going to come up and it shows us, there's almost 6 million monthly searches for weight loss per month. We want to go here to keyword ideas. Okay, now we've got the keyword ideas. So we want to add all 813. We want to add all. We're going to add all 813 to the list real quick. We're not worried about all these numbers here. We just want these. We just want all of these right here, all the keywords. That's all we want. We're going to go download plan. There's a little arrow right there. I'll show you again in a minute. So we're going to do this again. We don't need that average stuff right there. We want to open this with an Excel file. We're going to use Office. If you don't have Office, you can use go to openoffice.org. You can download your free spreadsheet there. We're going to download this spreadsheet right quick. We're going to open it. All of our keywords are right here. Okay. Now here's the search type. Search type. This is add groups over here. Well, we don't want to add groups. We're not worried about that. So we're going to copy 200 of these. Whoop, I went a little fast. Back up. I said 200. I'm used to doing more. You already see me with my email list. 70,000 emails in the list. Get a little crazy. Okay, we're going to take approximately 200 of these. Copy those. We're going to go back over to the keyword tool. Search for new ideas. We're going to copy these 200 into there. Paste those into there. Go down, hit get ideas. We're going to get ideas off of all of these. All of these keywords. Okay. It's going to come back. It says add all 43. We're going to add all 43. Then again, we're going to hit right here, download plan. We're going to download the plan. An Excel spreadsheet. We don't need the history. We're going to download it. Okay, that's going to open up again. We're going to minimize that one. We're going to open the first one back up. We're going to come back down here. We're going to go back and we're going to take another 200. We're at 190. We need to go to 391. Going fast. It goes fast. Mine does. 391. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to come back over here. Tools. Go to Keyword Planner. And we're just going to rinse, wash, and repeat. And just keep going and going and going until we have compiled every one that we can, every keyword that we can find. Okay? Click Get Ideas. No, we won't get ideas. Can't get search volume. Okay, add 201. Add all. We're going to add all those. Here we go. Another 201. In the Excel CSV file. And we're going to download it. Save file. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go through each one of these spreadsheets and do that over and over and over again. And we're going to take, at the end, we'll compile all of the words in all spreadsheets into one spreadsheet and then put it in a text file so that we can copy and paste that into a campaign and lead impact as shown in the videos above. Okay? Now, here's another way to do this real quick. If you go into, it's ubersuggest.org. Okay? You go in here, and each time that you click on one of these, I put in weight loss. All I did, weight loss. Click on suggest. It comes up. And each time that you click on one of these words here, it's going to bring up more words. And you just keep going all the way down the page. And takes a little time to do it. You have to have patience. Okay? Then you can come back and add. Like this one here, we don't want to add that one because it's already, the same. It's already the same thing as the other one right there. So we're going to come down here. We're going to calculate our time. And it comes time frame. Then all you have to do is you go down the whole page doing this. Okay? You gather more keywords. All these keywords. Then you just go through here and you keep going. Add. Add each one of these. Then over here where it says get, once you've added them all to the list, get, and then all you have to do is copy and paste from right here. Copy and paste into a document. You've got your keywords. Now you can upload right to your campaigns. And this works on pets, dogs, anything that you're doing. Okay? Weddings, dating, whatever, insurance, whatever product that you're promoting. Okay? And then set your campaign and get after it. Now get out there and make some money. Okay? Have a great one. If you need anything at all, shoot me an email, ask me any questions. I'll respond as fast as I can. I'm a busy man. Have a good one. Talk soon.